This is your time. A time for you to experience deep relaxation. You can allow yourself to relax your body and mind now. Remember, for the next few minutes, there is nothing else you need to be doing and nowhere else you need to be. This is your time to focus on becoming fully relaxed. You have chosen the visualization journey through the forest. In this exercise, we will focus our attention on using our imagination to visualize a deeply relaxing scene. We will imagine the sights, sounds, and smells of our relaxing place in order to calm and ground ourselves with our senses. Visualization allows you to relax your mind and body while taking a mental vacation from the stress of daily life. You may sit or lie down. Find a comfortable position without distraction. We recommend that you close your eyes. If you're uncomfortable doing so, then we invite you to look at the relaxing images on your screen. Let's bring our attention into our body now by taking a few deep, slow breaths. Really breathing in deeply, filling the lungs up with oxygen, and breathing out. Again, breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the mouth. Often when we are stressed, we take very short, fast, and shallow breaths. So it's important to really focus on our breathing and slow it down. Once more, taking a deep breath in and then exhaling. With each inhalation, we are breathing in calmness and relaxation. With each exhalation, we are breathing out tension and worry. Notice your body begin to feel more relaxed. Now, let's begin our visualization journey. It's a crisp, clear summer day. The sun is shining brightly. You are strolling along a narrow dirt path, surrounded by tall grasses that are bending softly in the breeze. You begin to allow your mind to settle a little as your eyes follow the ebb and flow of the long grasses on either side of your path. As you look up ahead, you see that your path leads you to a lush green forest. On the outskirts of the forest, you notice two birds flying together, swooping down towards the grasses, and then soaring up towards the sky as they catch the wind, noticing how peaceful and free they look. You take a slow, deep breath and notice the smell of the fresh, clean air and the trees and grasses around you. Before entering the forest, you look up and feel the sun shining on your face. The sun feels warm on your skin. Feel that warmth enter your body and begin to relax and soothe you. Remembering to take full, deep breaths as you continue to walk slowly into the forest. Your senses become heightened as you enter the forest, for it's slightly darker, with only a few sun rays breaking through the treetops and illuminating the forest floor. Your path is now covered with pine needles. The forest is silent and still, except for the occasional bird and the sound of the pine needles softly crackling under your feet. You can smell the thick dampness of the soil, leaves, and rotting tree trunks all around you. You notice the colors, greens and browns of all kinds. You walk over a few broken tree limbs and continue on your path, descending deeper into the forest. Off in the distance, you hear the sound of trickling water. It is faint at first, but as you continue along the path, the echoing of the water becomes louder. You continue walking and finally come upon a small brook. The water is fresh and clean. You find some rocks next to the brook and decide to sit down and rest your legs. You lean over and dip your fingers into the water and notice that it's still warm from the summer's heat. You see a smooth patch of soil next to the rocks and decide to lay your blanket down. After spreading your blanket out, you lie down on it and allow yourself to relax even more. You become aware of the sounds all around you. The rustling of the leaves in the breeze, the running water in the brook, and the chirping birds. You feel warm, safe, and relaxed. Your body is heavy and fully supported by the rich earth. The calm breeze blows against your face, and you notice the smell of the woods that surround you. You inhale a deep breath of fresh air, and now exhale. You are in a deep state of relaxation now. Every cell in your body feels deeply relaxed as you enjoy this peaceful, beautiful forest. Continue to follow your breathing, feeling more and more relaxed. Remembering that you can come to this place whenever necessary to calm yourself and increase your sense of relaxation. Now, whenever you are ready, go ahead and open your eyes and begin to orient yourself to the room, being fully aware of how relaxed your body feels in this present moment. We hope that you can take this sense of relaxation with you into your day, and we hope that you have enjoyed this meditative moment.